Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. My husband absolutely loves the handlebars on his mountain bike, and I want to tell you about them.
So these are from PNW Components. This range handlebar is the Generation 3. We have it here in the cement gray color, and this is an aluminum handlebar. It weighs only 1.7 pounds, which is great for keeping things lightweight on your bike. This one has a 31.8 millimeter clamping diameter, and also it is 800 millimeters wide. So this is a nice wide handlebar. My husband is 6 feet tall, so he really wanted something that was going to provide him the stability and the reach that he was looking for and be comfortable while he's riding. So this has really done that for sure. He says that the vibrations are really dampened with this handlebar, and it just does a good job of keeping him really comfortable.
So that is what we love about these PNW Components handlebars, and that's my point of view.